Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. As you may know, Microsoft recently released a PostgreSQL extension for Visual Studio Code. Let's take a look at how we can use it. First, open Visual Studio Code. Click on the Extensions tab on the left-hand side. Search for PostgreSQL using the search bar. Then click on the PostgreSQL extension released by Microsoft. Next, click Install. Once the Uninstall button appears, it means the installation is complete. You'll also see the PostgreSQL icon on the left-hand side. Now, click on the PostgreSQL icon that just appeared in the left-hand menu. At this point, you have two options. You can either connect directly to an existing database, or you can create a new one and then connect to it. In this video, I'll create a sample database on my local computer using Docker and then connect to it. Let's open Docker Desktop to create a sample database using Docker. I'll fast forward through this part without going into too much detail, but if you would like to learn more, feel free to check out the video linked below. Now come back to Visual Studio Code and click Add Connection in the PostgreSQL tab. A form will open for you to fill out. In a minimal setup, you'll need to enter the server name, username, and password to connect to your database. After that, click Test Connection to make sure everything is working. If the test is successful, go ahead and click Save and Connect. After that, you'll have an active connection. Check the left-hand side to see the list of tables. Right now, we don't have any tables in the database. I'll run a sample script to create some tables and insert a few entries so we can explore the database using the new extension. You can do this by right-clicking on the database and selecting New Query to open a new query window. Write your script in the editor and click Execute in the top right corner. As you can see, the tables have been created successfully along with their sample entries. Now you can right-click on the database and select Visualize Schema to see the tables along with their relationships. Additionally, you can explore the entries in the table by clicking on the table you want to view. The entries will be displayed under the PostgreSQL Query Results tab at the bottom. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.